Alright, so this is how to set up a Renishaw tool setter. The first thing you're going to do is bolt down your mounting probe onto your table. So put it on right here. Alright, you'll want to make sure that these alignment screws right here are facing to the left direction parallel to your x-axis, or as close as you can. So I'm going to turn them, and then I'm going to give the mounting block its final tighten down. Then I'm going to take my tool setter. Along the base there are 4 set screws that you're going to use to tighten it and attach it to this base. Pop it on. Again, align it as best as you can to make sure the probe is parallel to the x-axis or whichever axis you desire, and tighten all 4 set screws. Next thing you'll do is make sure that the stylus is oriented as parallel to the z-axis as you can, and tighten the bottom set screw here to lock it in place. When slipping the stylus onto the actual probe, make sure of course the set screws are facing you. So now that the probe has been bolted to the table, we're now going to align it. So you're going to take your mag-based dial indicator here, attach it to the top of your machine, and lower it down onto the tool setter stylus. So the first thing you're going to do is sweep your dial indicator back and forth across the tool setter stylus in the Y direction. This way you can observe to see how flat the top of the stylus is. Now to adjust the flatness of the stylus in the Y direction, you'll do that by loosening and tightening these 2 set screws here, then re-sweeping across the stylus head with your dial indicator and repeating until you can sweep the stylus in the Y direction, and the dial indicator will read that it is flat. Then move the dial indicator to the center of the stylus head and repeat the process in the x-axis direction. Now to adjust the flatness of the stylus in the x direction, that will be done by loosening and tightening these 2 bolts here on the mounting plate. Again, you will sweep the dial indicator across, adjust the bolts, sweep the dial indicator again, and repeat this process until the dial indicator reads that the stylus is flat in the X direction.